Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to time a Chevrolet Cruze engine. Understanding engine timing is crucial for your vehicle's health and performance. It ensures that your engine's camshaft and crankshaft work in perfect harmony, allowing valves to open and close at precisely the right moments. If timing is off, even by a little, it can lead to significant issues, from reduced power to serious internal engine damage. Let's dive into the process. Before beginning, you'll need to gather the correct specialized timing tools, which are vital for accuracy. Start by disconnecting your vehicle's battery for safety. Then, carefully raise and support the car to gain access to the engine's lower components. You will also need to remove the serpentine belt, various engine covers, and the crankshaft pulley to expose the timing belt and its associated parts. Now, let's focus on aligning the timing marks. First, rotate the crankshaft until cylinder 1 reaches its top dead center, or TDC, position. Carefully align the crankshaft's timing mark with the designated reference point on the engine block. Next, install your specialized camshaft locking tools to hold the camshafts firmly in their precise positions. Remember to release the tensioner before removing the old timing belt. With the marks aligned, install the new timing belt, making sure it's correctly routed over all the pulleys and sprockets. Once the belt is in place, apply the specified tension using the timing belt tensioner. After this, remove all your locking tools. Manually rotate the engine 2 full revolutions by hand, then recheck that all timing marks align perfectly. This crucial step confirms your timing is set correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.